Hello, good morning, children. Today, 23rd May, Saturday, revision of algebraic identity. So, worksheet 5, 6, 7 and brain teasers. Worksheet 5 is based upon your identity fifth, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab is equal to x plus a into x plus b. Here a plus b is your sum of two numbers and ab is your product of two numbers. Choose two numbers whose sum is equal to a plus b and product is equal to a b. So in this way we can solve worksheet 5. So before starting this worksheet, I write here some find the product of sums. Find the product of first part x plus 3 into x plus 4, second x minus 9 into x plus 7, third z plus 6 into z minus 5, fourth p minus 5 into p minus 4. So I solve all parts of question first. Find the product of. How you can use identity x plus 3 into x plus 4. Now this algebraic expression is given in the form of identity fifth. Here variable is your x and a and b are your plus 3 and plus 4. Using identity x square plus a plus b x plus ab is equal to x square plus a plus b 3 plus 4 into x plus ab 3 into 4. The sum of two number is 3 and 4 and product. The sum and product of two number are 3 and 4. So this is equal to x square plus 3 plus 4 7x plus 12. So this is your answers. Second, x minus 9 into x plus 7. X minus 9 into x plus 7. Here variable is your x, a is your minus 9 and b your 7. Using identity x square plus a plus b x plus ab is equal to x square plus minus 9 plus 7 into x plus minus 9 into 7. X square plus minus 9 plus 7 is equal to minus 2 into x plus product of negative positive integer is negative minus 9 7 minus 63. Now open brackets x square plus minus 2x plus minus 63 is your answers. Now last part, not last, third part. Find the product of z plus 6 into z minus 5. Here variable is your z, a is your plus 6, b is your minus 5. So this is equal to z square plus 6 minus 5z plus 6 into minus 5. Z square plus 6 minus 5 1 into z plus z plus 6 minus 5 is minus 30 plus minus 30. Z square plus z minus 30 is your answers. And fourth part is your find the product of p minus 5 into p minus 4. Here variable is your p, a is your minus 5 and b is your minus 4. Solve it. So using identity, this is equal to p square plus minus 5 minus 4 into p plus minus 5 into minus 4. The product of two negative integers is positive, and if we add two negative integers, their sum is 9, but sign will be minus. P square plus minus 9 into p plus 20, p square minus 9p plus 20 is your answers. So in this way we can solve first part, that is find the product of. So all these parts we can use this identity fifth, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. A plus b is your sum and ab is your product and x is your variables. Now second, evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of. You can find the value of these expressions again using identity fifth. Why? Because of these all four parts are given. I go for first part, that is 103 into 105. Find the product of. So using identity you can find their product. So 103 into 105 can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 5. Here x is your 100, a is your plus 3 and b is your 5. So using identity fifth, x square 100 whole square plus a plus b 3 plus 5 into 100 is your x plus 3 into 5, a is your 3 and b is your 5. 100 whole square means 10,000 plus 3 plus 5, 8 into 100, 800 plus 15. So their sum is equal to 10,815. Okay, next second part, that is 98 into 97. Evaluate 98 into 97. Again we can write 98 into 97 as 100 minus 2 into 100 minus 3. First convert into identity fifth. X is your 100, a is your minus 2, b is your minus 3. So x square plus a plus b x plus ab is equal to 100 square plus a is your minus 2, b is your minus 3 into 100 plus minus 2 into minus 3. Product of two negative integers is positive. If we add two negative integers, in the prefix sign will be minus. 2 plus 3 5 and in the prefix sign will be minus. So 100 square means 10,000 plus minus 5 into 100 plus 6. 10,006 minus 500 is equal to 99,506 is your answers. Third part is your, this part is also belong to your identity fifth, that is find the product of two algebraic expressions, x minus 3 upon 5 into x minus 1 upon 2. Here variable is your x, a is your minus 3 upon 5, b is your minus 1 upon 2. Using identity fifth, x square plus a plus b x plus ab is equal to x square plus minus 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2 x plus minus 3 upon 5 into minus 1 upon 2. Here minus 3 upon 5 is your a and minus 1 upon 2 is your b. So how we can subtract two rational numbers? By finding their LCM. So LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. X square plus 5 2s are 10, minus 3 2s are minus 6, 2 5s are minus 5, x plus minus plus 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10, minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 upon 10 x. This can be written as x square plus minus 11 upon 10 x plus 3 upon 10. X square minus 11 upon 10 x plus 3 upon 10. Now fourth part is x cube plus 5 into x square, x cube plus 2, x cube plus 5 into x cube plus 2. Here x is x cube, a is 5, b is 2, both are positive. Again using identity x square plus a plus b x plus ab. X square means x cube whole square plus 5 plus 2 into x square plus 5 into 2. X cube whole square means 3 2s are 6. Using property here, x raised to power m whole raised to power n is equal to x raised to power m into n. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 plus 2, 7 into x square, 7x square plus 10. In this way we can solve this sum. Evaluate, find the value of. Next question is your third, factorize. These questions belong to worksheet 6 and 7. Factorize. So in this factorization we can use all identity, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Once again we look for the identity. First identity is your a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Fourth, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And fifth one is x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So these are main 5 algebraic identity which you can use in this chapter, algebraic identities. Now I go for third questions, that is factorize. So I have taken here 8 parts of these questions. I solve each and every one part here because tomorrow will be your test of this chapter, worksheet 5, 6, 7 and brain teasers. Factorize. First, y square plus 4y plus 4. Second, 16m square minus 40mn plus 25n square. Third, 9y square minus 16. Fourth, 4y square minus 12xy plus 9x square minus 4z square. Fifth, 4a square plus b square plus 25c square minus 4ab minus 10bc plus 20ca. Sixth, x square plus 9x plus 18. Seventh, x square minus 11x plus 30. Eighth, x square minus 4x minus 45. So I have taken each questions from these identity. So first solve this first part, that is y square plus 4y plus 4. Now dear children, if your expression is trinomial, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, or this one, in trinomial expression you can use identity only first, second and fifth. How you can identify where you can use identity first, where you can use identity second, and in which case you can use identity fifth. This is your identification part. So this is according to in this worksheet 1 and 2. Here these two numbers a and b are your perfect square number. In both in identity first and second, your a square and b square are your perfect square numbers. But here in this case identity fifth, here a and b are not your perfect square numbers. That is why we can use identity fifth. This is the major difference between identity first, second and third in case of factorizations. I go for first part, that is factorize. Factorize y square plus 4y plus 4. Y square plus 4y plus 4. Here y square and 4 are perfect square number, and this is your plus 2ab. It means we can use identity first. Y square is the square of y and 4 is the square of 2, and then plus sign means plus 2ab. Y square a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into ay and b 2, 2 2 is 4y. It is equal to y square plus 4y plus 4. This is equal to a plus b whole square, y plus 2 whole square, and y plus 2 whole square can be written as y plus 2 into y plus 2. Is it okay? Understood? How you can use this identity in case of factorization? Because in exam this is not given. This question is from this worksheet 5. This question is from worksheet 1. Only your identification part is you have to identify the expressions, and using the suitable identity you can factorize the given algebraic expressions. Second one, 16m square minus 40mn plus 25n square. 16m square minus 40mn plus 25. So look here, 16m square and 25n square. This is your a square, this is your b square. 4m whole square, 5n whole square, and minus 2ab. So this is your identity second. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square is your 4m, b square is your 5n, minus 2 into a 4m into b 5n. Find the product. 5 4 jar 22 jar 40 minus 40 mn. It is equal to this one. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b 4m minus 5n whole square is equal to 4m minus 5n into 4m minus 5n. 4m minus 5n into 4m minus 5n. Third, 9y square minus 16. This can be written as, now this only binomial expressions. So in this case you can use identity third, a square minus b square, 3y square minus 4 square, a square minus b square, a is your 3y, b is your 4, 3y plus 4 into 3y minus 4, a plus b into a minus b. Fourth one, 4y square minus 12xy plus 9x square minus 4z square. This time, although we identify this expression that it is given in the form of a square minus b square, but a square is not directly given here. First we have to convert into a square. So first one is again your trinomial expressions. We can use identity second here, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means 2y square minus 2 into 2y into 3x plus 3x whole square. A minus b whole square, 2y minus 3x whole square minus 4z square can be written as 2z square. Now this is converted into identity third, a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. A is your 2y minus 3x plus b plus 2z. A is your 2x minus 3x minus b minus 2z. Next, fifth part. Your fifth part is, again this is very important questions. So this belongs to your identity fourth, 4a square plus b square plus 25c square minus 4ab minus 10bc plus 20ca. Here ab is your minus, bc your minus. If we take b square is your negative, then ab minus bc minus this your plus. Either you can take a, this your first methods, either you can take b is your negative sign or you can take a or x is your negative signs. So I go for b is your negative sign. So 4a square can be written as 2a whole square plus minus b whole square plus, because the square of negative integer is always positive, plus 5c whole square plus 2 into 2a into minus b, it is equal to minus 4ab, plus 2 into minus b into 5c, it is equal to minus plus 2 into 5c into 2a, 5 2 is 10 2 is 20 ca. So this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. A is your 2a, b is your minus b, c is your plus 5c. This can be written as in this way. Next, x square plus 9x plus 18. Again trinomial expressions. It is same as first sum, y square plus 4y plus 4. So why we can use identity fifth here? Why we cannot use identity first and second? Because x square is your perfect square but 18 is not your perfect square. That is why we can use identity. So we can choose two number whose sum is coefficient of x, that is 9, and product is 18. So factors of 18 are 9 and 2, 6 and 3, plus 6 plus 3, 9x, 6 into 3, 18, x square plus 6 plus 3 into x plus 6, 3. Choose two number whose sum is plus 9 and product is 18. That two numbers are 6 and 3. So x plus 6 into x plus 3. Second, x square minus 11x plus 30. Choose two number whose sum is minus 11 and product is 30. Minus 5 minus 6. The product of two negative integer is positive. X minus 5 into x minus 6. X square minus 4x minus 45. Choose two number whose sum is minus 4 and product is minus 45. That is minus 9, because greater number will be your minus, because coefficient of x is minus. If coefficient of x is positive, then greater number will be your positive and smaller number will be negative. If coefficient of x is negative, then your greater number will be negative and the smaller number will be positive. So 9 5s are 45, x square plus minus 9 plus 5 plus minus 9 into 5. This is equal to this one, x minus 9 into x plus 5. So dear children, your homework is revise algebraic identities, worksheet 5, 6, 7 and brain teachers. House test on this Sunday 10 a.m. to 10:40 a.m. Note, dear students, only send your marks, write complete roll number and then marks scored in test. On this my personal numbers 945 985 3770. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.